So this is Daniel Baldwin reporting from Holley, Oregon, and it's December 17, and we just had a big windstorm and rainstorm go through this area last night, and it's still a little breezy, about 6 to 10 miles per hour wind, but we got some sunshine and the clouds are blowing away, but we're expected to get more rain later today, and about midnight tonight it should pick up again with some more wind and rain, and had about half an inch of rain last night, and we had quite a bit of limbs and lots of debris blow down, as well as we had power outage for a couple of hours this morning, probably about 5 to 7 a.m. So we have power back up here in Holley, but down in Sweet Home they still don't have power, and there's many places in the Willamette Valley that don't have power right now and have a lot of debris and limbs and messes and closed roads down. There's no school today in the Sweet Home School District. The kids are off today because of power outages and just blocked roads and trees down and things like that the buses weren't able to pick everybody up. So the kids are off today for that. So I wanted to show you around our property a little bit here up in Holley and show you what kind of, not really damage, but some of the debris that's down and severity after the storm here. So just in this area here we have quite a few limbs down, stuff that's blown down from the oak trees. There's one limb over here that's impaled into the ground. We also have a nice big limb over here that came down from one of the oak trees, and so that'll be cut up for firewood here shortly. But yeah, that came down and it's a big mess over here. Here's another stick over here that's impaled into the ground. It looks like it got broken off, but it's definitely stuck in the ground quite a bit, so it came from a long distance up. But we also have some nice friendly deer over here. We got 2 does over there checking things out. They look like they're enjoying the sunshine and getting some breakfast perhaps. Right now they're just staring at me, so I will move on. So far in this part of the forest there doesn't seem to be a whole lot of branches or lichen down. I'm looking around to see what kind of damage there might have been, but so far it's looking pretty good in this area. It is more closer to the house that we had more issues with limbs and branches coming down. That thankfully none of our vehicles got hit with anything large, so that's a blessing, or nothing on our house. And all our antennas and other aerial things, satellites, didn't get damaged, so that's a blessing. So I am down by the small creek here that's tributary to the Calapooya River, and it's flowing a little bit higher today, but not a whole lot. So the rains last night weren't significant, being only about a ½ inch in this area. I think other areas of the valley got a little more rain than we got directly. So as you can see, it's flowing pretty good though, which is pretty typical for this time of year. So this is McQueen Drive outside our house here. And you can see the fir trees have dropped a lot of branches here. There's a big one over here, but most of it's just a bunch of little stuff, so it can definitely be driven over till we can get out here and rake this off the road and clear this up. Down the ways it's not so bad down there, but in this one area there's a lot of debris.